Welcome to Back in the Lab. Today we're going to discuss some post-washing tips when printing with key print resins. I recommend starting with 2 IPA baths. Bath 1 is used to remove excess residual resin, and to make life easier, I recommend using a salt brush or a toothbrush to do this task. For cleaning models, the brush is best for the interproximal space and hollowed areas. When cleaning splints, a brush is perfect for the intaglio surface. When cleaning multiple parts, I recommend using a basket for easier use. Once bath 1 is complete, you could transfer your parts into bath 2 and agitate for an additional 15 to 30 seconds. Following both IPA baths, you want to transfer your 3D parts into a glass of clean IPA, which can be placed in an ultrasonic bath for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Other pieces of equipment that can be used are stir and shaker tables. Now that your final wash is completed, use compressed air to dry your 3D parts. Once dry, you can then examine the part to ensure that it is fully clean. Following compressed air, let your 3D parts dry for an additional 30 to 45 minutes before post-curing. For more tips, tricks, and key print content, make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'll see you next time, back in the lab.